good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Do you still remember what we did yesterday? Have you tried out the sums of the exercise that I told you to do? I hope so you have tried those sums. Yesterday what we did number in words, number in figures, expanded form and the standard form. Today what we will do is comparison. We will compare two numbers. So we will do the comparison of the numbers. For this, there is a small video which I will show you. Through this video, it will be easier for you to understand how we can compare the numbers. So shall I start the video? So look at the video first and then I will give you a small explanation.
Words to know. Thousands digit. Hundreds digit. Tens digit. Greater than. Less than. How do you compare numbers? Can you think of reasons why you would want to compare numbers? You compare numbers to find the difference, such as for prices, populations, or distances. Earth is not perfectly round. The North Pole is 6,356 kilometers from Earth's center. The equator is 6,378 kilometers from the center. Which is closer to the Earth's center, the North Pole or the equator? Use place value to compare numbers. Write the numbers lining up places. Begin at the left and compare. When you compare numbers, why do you begin with the digits on the left? You begin comparing the digits that have the greatest place value. The digits farthest to the left have the greatest value. What do you notice about the thousands digits? The thousands digits are the same in both numbers. What should we do next? The hundreds digits are also the same. What do you notice about the digits? The first place where the digits are different is the tens place. Is 5 greater than 7 or is 5 less than 7? The greater than symbol means is greater than. The less than symbol means is less than. The North Pole is closer to the Earth's center than the equator. When learning about the Earth and other objects in the universe, you often use very large numbers. Now you can use place value to compare such numbers.
Have you all seen the video? Was it nice and interesting? It was very colorful and interesting. Have you all noticed what they have taught? They have given you a number, suppose 2, 5, 6, 7 and 2, 4, 3, 7. These are the two numbers that they have, suppose they are the two numbers that is being given. So what we compare first, we start with the 1, 10s, 100 and 1000. We start with the 1000 place. See the 1000 place, first number is 2 and first number is 2. So both the numbers are same. So you can't compare the numbers. Now let's come to the 100 place. First number is 5 and the next number is 4. Can you compare 5 and 4? Can you tell me which one is greater? 5 is greater or 4 is greater? Obviously number 5 is greater. 5 is bigger than 4. So the 1000 place, both the numbers are same. So no comparison is being done. And in hundreds place between 5 and 4, when we compare 5 and 4, we come to the conclusion that 5 is greater than 4. So now we can say 2, 5, 6, 7 number is greater than 2, 4, 3, 7 number. Is it clear? And one more thing they have shown in the video, that is, have you seen these signs? This is the greater than sign and the lesser than sign. You know, when we were small, we used to call these as the crocodile mouth. You know why are these known as the crocodile mouth? When a crocodile sees its prey, it opens its mouth wide open. It opens its mouth wide open. What does it eat when it opens its mouth wide open? It eats its prey or any other animal that he finds in the river. Similarly, these are the crocodile mouth. When they see any greater number in front of them, their mouth opens wide. So whenever there is any greater number, you remember that what you have to put? You have to put this sign that shows the greater number is in front of it. And this pointed end is always towards the smaller number. Is it clear? I'll just give you an example to show how you can write this. Suppose 1, 4, 2, 9 and 1, 3, 2, 6. Suppose two numbers are given in such a way and you are told to put a greater than sign and a lesser than sign. What will you do? First we will start comparing the thousands place. In thousands place the first number is 1. So no comparison can be done. In the seconds place, hundreds place, first number is 4 and the next number is 3. Can we compare the numbers? Yes. Why? Because one number is 4 and the other number is 3. So which number is greater? 4 is greater than 3. So which number is bigger? 4 is bigger than 3. So what will the crocodile mouth do? It will open its mouth wide open and eat up the greater number. So what will we do? We will put the sign towards the greater number. Is it clear how you put the greater sign and the lesser sign? Always remember, greater means wide open. The mouth of the crocodile mouth is wide open and it will point towards the greater number. This is the best and the easiest method to remember where to put the greater sign and where to put the smaller sign. The smaller end means this pointed end is always towards the smaller number and the open mouth is towards the greater number. Is it clear? Can we move forward? Now, suppose a number of numbers have been given. Suppose 19, 20, 24 and 35. And you are told them to arrange in ascending order. I hope you still remember the word ascending and descending. Ascending means when a number moves from small to big. And descending means when a number moves from big to small. So suppose you have to arrange them in the descending order. Descending order means from big to small. So which number is big out here? See the ones and the tens place. First number is 1, second number is 2, 2 and 3. So which number is bigger? 3. The 3, 5, 35 is bigger because in the tens place 3 is bigger. Now this number we have already written. Now let's compare the next three numbers. First number 1, 2, 2. So 1 is smaller. Now if you compare 2, 2, you can't do any comparison. Now let's switch on to the ones place. Ones place, first number is 9, second number is 0 and the third number is 4. So which number is greater? Number 4. So which number is bigger? 24. Now how many numbers are still remaining? Only two numbers are remaining, 19 and 20. Let's do the comparison of 2. 1, 9, 19. 1, tens place there is 1, tens place there is 2. So which number is bigger? Tens place 2. So let's write 20 and the last remaining number is 19. This is the way you can arrange the number from big to small by looking at the place value, where they stand. Ones, tens. If it is a 2-digit number, see the tens place. 3-digit number, see the hundreds place. And 4-digit number, see the thousands place. Is it clear? Let me give an example of an ascending order also. Now let's give an example of an ascending order. Ascending means from small to big. Now let me give numbers 52, 18, 27 and 44. How many numbers are there? Ones and tens place. It's a 2-digit number. So let's start the comparison with the tens place. Tens place, first number is 5, second number is 1, 2 and 4. So which is the smallest among this? 1. So first number is 18. What is the next number? 5, 2, 4. Which is the smallest number? 2. So what you write is 27. What is the next number which is smaller? 5 or 4. See the tens place? Obviously number 4 is smaller. So you write 44 and the last remaining number is 52. Is it clear? This is the way how you arrange in ascending order, that is from small to big. I hope all the three are clear. How you compare the numbers, how you give a greater sign and a lesser sign, and how you arrange the numbers from ascending to ascending order and descending order. Is it clear to you all? Now there is an exercise in your book. Just open your textbook, all of you. Have you all opened your textbook? Now page number 2. Page number 2. There is an exercise in page number 2. There are some that is write the numbers in expanded form, put the greater sign and the lesser sign, circle the greatest number, circle the smallest number. That is what is done in page 2. Next, when you move on to page 3, there are numbers where you have to arrange them in the ascending order and the descending order. This is what we have done today. So I hope whatever sums that have been shown to you that is done in your book, I hope you all will try to do those sums. Is it clear? A very